Hi everyone, this is Kevalyanshi from GrowStacks, and today I'm going to walk you through one of the Microsoft Power apps that we have built, a solution which is small in design but powerful in impact. It is called Weekly Employee Pulse Check, which helps you bring empathy and insights into your workspace. It is the app which is designed to check the morale of your team and the stress factor anonymously. So basically, it helps us identify the stress, burnout, and other disengagement factors before they escalate into a bigger issue. So, no names, no pressure, just honest input from the employees that leads straight towards a proactive leadership. Because, in our opinion, HR should be driven by data, not by assumptions. And this app is just a step towards that direction. So, let's see how that works. As you can see on my screen, the employee goes in weekly to submit the entries that are based on various levels, like how is the stress today, what they are feeling with their morals, what is the workload balance currently over them, and they also have a chance to write down the comments, which is going to let us know on a deeper level how things are inside. After that, the system aggregates all of the things and presents a visual dashboard in front of the HR. So whenever the stress levels are really very high and morals are really very low, it is going to just ping it to the HR that you need to look into this issue before it turns out into something big. I would be giving you a live demonstration of how things are taking place. So let's stick to my screen. So on my screen is the quick app. I would just go ahead with marking the morale ratings really very low, that is poor, and stress level high. Workload balance is somewhat manageable. And to the comments, I can write here, I need to get things more coordinated. Let's go with this. So as soon as I click on the submit feedback button, it says that my feedback has been successfully recorded. Now here we are viewing the HR view. So it enables us to see the list over here, which is going to show the entries of every respective person, but all of it is anonymous. This is the thing I just posted. And here's what it looks like for the HRs and the managers, letting them know about their insights of the team, the stress levels, the morals, how things are taking place, and what needs to be taken care of. So, if you're looking for a confidential and data driven solution that would help you understand how things are inside your team anonymously, this is exactly the kind of solution that you might be looking forward to. Want something like this for your team? Let's connect. I would love to show you how we can tailor all of this according to your needs. If you find this helpful, please let us know. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.